Hi class, my name is Jaylene. I will be narrating my classroom management plan draft. So my personal philosophy will be based on the behaviorist orientation. Students will feel safe and know that it's okay to try and probably not succeed on their first try. I will have clear rules and procedures that will be set, established, and enforced at all times throughout the school year. We will practice the importance of building a safe relationship with everyone in the class. Now, this type of behavioral approach to classroom management focuses on creating clear expectations for behavior. Now, this includes monitoring behavior and reinforcing appropriate behavior while redirecting inappropriate behavior. So the room arrangement, I did this based off of, thinking of COVID. So I'm assuming that classroom sizes will definitely try to be smaller. So I went ahead and put just 10 students in this class, and they are very much or will be divided, definitely while keeping the CDC guidelines in mind. So as you can see, all the students will be facing the front board, and I will have, the class schedule, class rules posted, along with other information. On the sides, they will have the bulletin board displays, and this can be used for multiple reasons. So it can have like other information, or it can be used as a posting students and displaying students' work as well. There is also a designated area to turn in the daily assignments, and then the exit will have the emergency escape route procedures there as well. And then my desk, the teacher desk, will be in the back. That way I can see everybody. And then I will have the cleaning supplies right next to my desk, and have it handy and ready for me to use, and also the students will be able to use it if needed and as needed. So the couple classroom rules, use kind words and actions, listen quietly when others are speaking, be helpful and responsible, keep the classroom clean, especially during these times. Just wipe off your desk. Don't just use your own materials. If things are shared, wipe it before and after, and constantly either use hand sanitizer or wash their hands if there is a sink in the classroom available. And of course, say please and thank you. Now, some of the classroom consequences, there will be negative and positive consequences. So negative consequences of failing to follow instructions leads to little, maybe even none, recess time. And then constant misbehavior can result in either a call home or a note to home to the parent and or guardian of the student. Positive consequences, there will be verbal praise for good behavior and work. If they're staying on task, they may get free time. And then turning in homework complete and on time consecutively may result in receiving a homework pass. So this can be like, a whole month of complete and on-time homework. So classroom procedures, I did a start of the day activities. So students will enter, take their homework out, and place it in the designated box that I showed on my my classroom layout. They will get their materials ready for the day and then read silently at their desk. If they're done doing what they're supposed to do, the students may use the beginning of the day as a time to clean out their desk and free it of clutter and trash. The students will also take this time to write their homework for the day in their planners. There also will be an activity at the beginning of the day, so this can include writing something they learned yesterday in their journals, or turning to their partner while maintaining the distance and orally share what they learned yesterday, or even solving a riddle of the day. Students will also be given this time to sharpen their personal pencils at this time. So there will not be any sharing of pencils. The students will be given or they will bring their own pencils in a pouch, and they will be asked to have or given a sharpener. That way they can go ahead and sharpen their pencils that only they will be using. So for the special populations, definitely provide a personalized seating plan for those who need it. Offer an inclusion classroom where all students are taught and feel included. Create a least restrictive environment for all students, and ensure the classroom is clutter-free and definitely organized in a way that limits distractions. Even on the bulletin boards, limit like too many colors, objects, etc. It can be a little distracting. And definitely create a safe place in the room or area where students can go and calm down if they need to. So extrinsic motivators: receiving recognition for hard work, extra credit or bonus points, and then free time when completing their task in a timely manner. Intrinsic motivators would be a satisfactory feeling after successfully presenting their project, having options in presenting major projects, whether they want to do it digital or handwritten, or if they want to do it as a group or individual work. And then they will be provided productive and effective feedback. So the learning environment is really important for all students. We want to make all students feel valued and included in all the classroom activities. We want to continually get to know our students and, most importantly, respect and value one another. Now, I did see this jar that I really liked. So it's called a warm and fuzzies jar. So this would be used as a way of, as I see students practicing good behavior, like helping each other out or encouraging each other, they will get a pom-pom to put into this warm and fuzzies jar. Now, whenever the jar is completely full, the classroom will have a party or party type. But everyone has to have participated and contributed to the jar in order for them to receive the party. So my references are textbooks, and then I found another scholarly source, and other slides that are not cited I did come up with myself, and then the classroom arrangement I did make that layout from scratch. So I hope y'all enjoyed my draft presentation. I look forward to your feedback.